Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing. And today I have this hydraulic trolley jack from Ultimate Speed. Max load at 2000 kg, makes light work of lifting and lowering vehicles, easy to maneuver with 2 fixed and 2 swivel castors, magnetic storage tray, let's say for wheel nuts, adjustable lowering speed max 0.15 meter per second, with a 3 years warranty. So let's open the box and find out more about this product and how we can use it. Included we have the manual, the handle, yellow color, it goes here. And lift. This is the adapter. It depends the type of the vehicle. You can use this adapter if you want, or only this adapter. There is a screw here. You can remove the screw and install the adapter. Left and right we have the lifting handle. And here install, and that was all. The lifting handle, it is 90 centimeter. I like the length. You can place it left and right at these plastics. And of course at the bottom we have 2 360 degrees rotatable wheels and another 2 wheels here. Metal wheels, the same in here are metal wheels. 2000 kg you need to lift. On a red and black color, I like it. And here of course it is the connection for the lifting handle. Insert and rotate, and that was all. And then you can start pumping. And of course here we have the release valve. Tight it and then start lifting. I will show you of course later. I will lift my car and then with the valve it goes slowly down. Nice. And here it is the cover. Pull at the front and you can remove the cover. Magnetic. You can have screws here. We can see the spring, how it looks inside. And lock it. So let's move on at my car and lift my car. See how well it can do that. It is quite heavy. Choose one of the four corners and install the jack at the bottom of the car and then lift. You can use it for maintenance at your car or change the tire. It is so easy to do in a few seconds with a cost only 40 euros. It has a robust housing to withstand the heavy lifting of the car. I like it a lot. It is a great tool for your car. Until my next video, don't forget to subscribe, share this video and hit the notification bell. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.